say to all the women out there, just take life as it goes and be happy.
If I was to give career advice, it would be that do not let imposter syndrome hold you back or ruin the moment of now. Be bold with your decisions and take those chances. Remember, your achievements across your career has been because of your skills and your hard work, and not just because of luck.
Be the woman you would look up.
You know, each time that you stand up for yourself, you'll stand up for the whole community. So be the fighter that you are.
Just be confident and believe in yourself.
Always have boundaries, both in professional and personal life.
So I would like to say to all the women out there not to cave into societal pressures. Do what you want and when you want.
I think it's confidence because you can never have enough of it.
Be very confident, speak up your mind and never hesitate to say no, right? There could be a room of people who will always say yes, but then there is something you do not agree, always say no and give a valid or logical reason.
Believe in yourself, your untapped potential. Block the noises that doesn't serve your purpose.
I think women should live the life they want to live, do the things they want to do, and they should do those things at the time they feel is right to do those things.
Think of yourself as leaders and not as a women leader. The world is over when there used to be a distinction between a male leader and a women leader. What the corporate world today needs are good, empathic leaders who can lead with a cool head and a warm heart.
Consistency. Any task that might seem out of reach can be achieved with being consistent, and it also brings a larger impact.
To be completely limitless. There is no end to growth. There is no end to showcase what you have, because eventually it's completely on your faith and your belief system.
Always believe in yourself, irrespective of what. Do not let yourself tell you that you can't do it, because in the end you will do it. You also know that. You just gotta believe. And second thing is that being a mother, being a wife, being a daughter-in-law, being a daughter, I can tell you that you need to have support system to balance out your work and life.
Start listening to yourself. Whatever you feel like doing, just prioritize that.